What's up, everybody? This is the Gordon Crew. This is my boy Ray.
I am
Alright, let's start over.
Ray.
What's up, everybody? We are the Gordon Crew. This is my boy Ray.
What's up?
And today we got something very exciting for you. We about to do what, Ray?
Paint this tricycle.
That's right. We about to pimp out these Hot Wheels. What color you painting today, Ray?
Red.
I got some black. I got some chrome. We're going to take this thing apart, put it back together. And you ready, Ray?
Yes.
You so?
Yes.
All right, let's get it. Let's go.
Let's go. Daddy, why you do that?
Here, put it on the ground. Alright, let's get it on the ground.
Yes.
Alright, so what you gonna do? You gotta take the seat off. Pull the seat off.
Okay.
There you go. Put it to the side over here.
Huh?
Move the seat. Move the seat. Put the seat over here.
I'm sorry.
That's fine.
Is it okay
Come
pacing
on.
her? Dad, is it okay pacing her? I want to go there.
Alright, ready?
Yes.
Set y'all
Mom, is it okay me
go.
and Kelsey can't go run?
So we're gonna take off. Let's take off these screws.
Yeah. Come on, Kelsey.
Here. Hit the reverse.
Come on. Come on.
Push it down. Here.
Kelsey. That one.
There you go. Now do
That's
it.
it. Hey.
Sweet. We're gonna get stronger. Alright, get the screwdriver. Right here. Here.
He needs some milk.
Are you okay?
Here. Wait. Hey.
Get off! Oh, you're in our camera.
It's alright, Ray.
Thank you. We don't care. It's not your camera. It's not your video. Why I cannot get your
How you
video?
hit me?
You say yeah. We can have so much fun in our video. What do you say?
Alright. Alright, you ready to paint, Ray?
Yeah.
We about to paint. We took the thing apart. We got pieces everywhere.
Everywhere.
So we about to start painting.
Okay.
Before that, I have to use spray paint. You gotta shake it. Let's go paint.
Whoa.
You spraying it. Move your finger away from the other book. Right, there you go. Hold it.
Got stuff on my face.
Go ahead. You're close to it. Got bubbles everywhere. Right there, close.
Oh, yeah. Shake it.
Shake it, Ray, shake it. Alright, let's see. right, so we just finished painting all the parts. Come here. Do a good job, man. Look at your hand. All right. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna let it dry, right?
Yeah.
And we'll put everything back together, all right?
And it'll be so cool.
That's right.
I'm gonna sit on it.
All right, let's get it. All right, let's go. Come on back over here. All right, you ready, Ray?
Yes.
All right, we got all the pieces painted. We ready to put everything back together. You know where stuff goes at? You know where to put stuff at? We're gonna figure it out. All right, let's get the drill and let's get started. All right, come on.
Okay.
Get the drill and get the screws.
Let's start. So
Let's start with the.
We can start with that to that.
All right, so here, grab this.
Okay.
Here, let's put the back wheels on first. Stop yelling. Let's put the back wheels on first. Here. Slide that in that hole right there. Slide in that hole. Good job. Alright. Alright, good shoes.
We need this to go right here.
Yep. Oh, turn it the other way.
Oh.
Turn it over. Good. Alright. Alright. Good shoes. No, take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Slide it off. Slide it off. Take that off. Take it all the way out. Slide it out. Just slide it out. Alright. What you're gonna do is here. No, that's fine. Leave that in here. Push that in there. Alright, slide through here. Slide through there. It's on the tape. Hold this. Hold this. Hold that. Hold it.
Oh, Daddy. Messed it up.
Okay.
I thought you had to put it. I thought this was supposed to go right here.
No, we did it wrong, right?
Yeah, I told you.
Yeah, you're right.
I was trying to
push it right there. Now put it right there. Good, don't it?
I need a battery to charge it.
Alright, let's go ahead and take it for a ride, okay? Alright, wait till I tell you to go. Wait, make sure no car's coming. Alright, in 3. Wait. I think I hear somebody. Wait. Alright, go ahead, Ray. Go ahead. Alright, Ray, you done? Hit it.
No.
Good job.
I'm not done yet.
You want to do it one more time?
17 times.
It ain't do no 17 times.
Watch out.
Wait, let me look for some cars. Alright, no cars coming. Go ahead.
That's so power. That's a fail. That's a big giant fail.
Alright, come on. Let's go.